you be now without love? You know I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back without love. Yeah, where would you be right now without love? Yeah.
Well, Illinois Central and that Southern Central freight gotta keep on pushing, mama, cause you know they're running late without love. Where would you be now, now, now?
Without Well, the Illinois Central and the Southern Central freight gotta keep on pushing, mama. You know they're running late without love. Where would you be now without love?
Where the pistons keep on turning and the wheels go round and round, and the steel wheels are cold and hard. For miles they all go down without love. Where would you be right now
Without love. Where would you be now? Got to get up, baby. Things are moving now.
Well, they're moving out.
Well, they're moving now. Baby, 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 well, they're moving now.
See the big train front when the train is moving on. You got to
Keep on moving.
keep on moving, keep on moving.
Keep on moving. Just keep on moving.
Well, keep on
Yeah.
moving.
Thank you. Badass.